man, me lay down in my bed, man. I lay down then. No, you want big sin to lick the house. And when you lick the house, I want big tall one.
Blessings everyone, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Now, this flood situation in Montego Bay, this is a problem that needs to be addressed, and addressed urgently, because it's not the first or the second time. 3 years ago, we see where Montego Bay was flooded out, especially in the town areas. You understand? And not only Montego Bay, in other parishes, you see, in the town areas, in the business district, there's a lot of garbage, and Montego Bay in the town kinda small, as far as me see. So the drainage, them not take care of how them take care of. So the bottles and the plastic and all of that, them don't sink, them float, and then when them can't pile up no more, especially underneath these gutters, then them block the gutter and block the drainage. You understand? So this is a problem that really needs to be addressed, guys, and I've got a lot of video clips to show you guys from just one night out of rain in Montego Bay. This is something that really needs to be addressed, and I don't know, I think of the drains. Let me know what you think, guys. What is the situation at Montego Bay? If it's because of the creation of new roads, or if well, I don't really know, officer, I swear. Take a look at these videos, guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below, because this can't keep on happening like this in the tourist capital in Montego Bay. This really not look good, and it's not the first time, and I think even though 3 years ago I think it was worse, but it just keep on happening if it's not fixed. And me personally, I think it's the drainage system. Them need to do over the drainage system. I think the drainage system is not adequate, you know. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below about these clips. All right.
Yeah, same way I go on now. No, man, me lay down in my bed, man. I lay down then. No, you want big sin to lick the house. And when you lick the house, I want big tall water, me see come. Watch on my bed. Me up on the bed, me have to turn up to escape the water. Me 54 gone, me 3 chains, sir. Me have 80,000 euros in my pocket, under my rug. You go, come with me and call look, man. You know, just come and call look. Yeah, me I go down to get one man come back, so come.
In our village. Oh God, a whole house move a while ago come down. Sorry, I didn't catch it for sure. Yeah, man, the whole place flood out, man. Alright, so what it come down. So me that try to escape the water off of the highway, and this is Witter village. This is Witter village. Driving through Witter village if you escape the water, and it's no better at all. No better. I'll stand up in the water. Look back on top, wet me up.
Yeah, guys, so the first step we need to take to get this under control is to start to dispose of our garbage correctly. And I need to stop dump the rubbish in the gully and on the roadside. Yeah, man, and I need to get a bag or a recycling skid, or, you know, don't burn it either if you can avoid that. But please, don't dump the garbage in the gully. It will flood out the place, so not see that, and that's not hygienic, because after that you not get mosquito and all of that. You know, you not learn, man. This happen like every 2 years, you know, peeps, especially those who live in Montego Bay and use the market and the surrounding areas. You need to wise up, man, alright? Y'all stay blessed. Have a wonderful day. Let me know what you think in the comment section. One more thing, guys, even though you saw these clips, if you need these clips for yourself, let me know. You can contact me at the number on screen. Just let me know your name and if you want to be added to the group, and tell me which one of the videos you need. Alright, stay blessed.